Going everybody, it's Q here. We're back with another Atlas Earth video. So yes, for my OG subscribers, I definitely have not forgotten about you guys, and I appreciate you guys for sticking around here. I know I've been posting like a lot of different stuff about crypto and other stuff too, but I have not forgot about you guys either. So I believe this will be my week 3 update. So I do updates on Atlas Earth, and I will be continuing to do updates each week, just kind of showing you guys my progress and where I'm at, and you know, what's going on with the app and stuff. So I just want to say once again, guys, I appreciate the support so much. Last time I checked, we were halfway to 300 subs. I feel like we just hit 100 subs. This is so unusual for me because this isn't my first rodeo with YouTube. I've had at least like maybe 2 other channels, and just realistically, usually, I mean, it does not happen this fast when it comes to like growth. So I'm just really kind of tripping out on how fast my channel is growing. I just started uploading on this channel again like maybe 2 weeks ago, so for me to already be at this point, it's just crazy to me. So I appreciate you guys, love the support, you know, liking the video, sharing, and you know, subscribe if you want, and I really appreciate that. But we'll definitely go ahead and get into this one. So I will be honest with you guys. As you can see, I'm at like $5.27. And I'll be completely honest with you guys, I have not had a drive at all to really do any ads or boost or anything. I've just kind of been focused on other things. So the money that you see right here, it's not really being boosted at all. It's just, I mean, honestly, I could probably be at maybe like $7 or $8 right now if I really wanted to and really put in like, you know, some effort, I guess. But the main reason why I haven't really had a drive to like really boost is because when you go up here, you can't really cash out. And you know, it's been like this for a minute. They're saying that our cash out system will be ready in our next update. I know that they had mentioned that that was supposed to be coming out like in 2 weeks, and they had said that like a couple of days to like a week ago. So I'm honestly just kind of waiting until they allow that to happen, if they allow it to happen, because to be honest, I'm not about to be giving any free, like, you know, ad revenue if I can't even cash it out. So to be honest, guys, I haven't really had much of a, you know, motivation to really even open up the app. I mean, there's not really too much to do, and I'm just kind of waiting for the update. I'm waiting for auctions and everything else to come out. Today is December 12th. And there's no new update or anything. So yeah, I reached $5 maybe like a week or so ago, and ever since I realized that I couldn't cash out, I just haven't really done anything else with it. So yeah, that's pretty much the update. There's not really too much new that's going on with this app. I feel like they're working on it. I don't really feel like it is completely a scam. But as of right now, once again, I just feel like it's still not too worth it. They find some kind of way to for people to make more money, it'll be worth it. You know, being able to put houses or put something on your land that's going to get you more income, either decreasing the price of land or giving you a higher boost. You know, there's a lot of different things that they could do that I would recommend them doing, because eventually people are going to realize that they're not making any money. They're not really going to make their initial investment back until years from now. And it's just not going to be worth it, you know, and I still feel like they could do a lot. I was talking to one of you guys in my comments. You know who you are. You guys can probably find the comment as well. He said that he had reached out to them about any plans for them, like implementing anything in the metaverse or anything like that. And they said that they didn't really have much of a interest in kind of like really doing that. This is not something that was never meant to make anybody rich or make anybody a bunch of money. And I know the CEO did say that when this was first launching, so that's not really a surprise to me. But in my opinion, they did make it seem like you would at least be able to generate some decent passive income that would be profitable and, you know, kind of worth it. Even if it's not a lot, it would still be worth it. But as of right now, it's just not even worth it. Whatever principal you put in, you're not going to really see it back for like probably decades, because of the fact that the boost gets capped. That's why you won't see it. So I know somebody had mentioned something about investing no more than like $625 into it, because at that point, that's when the boost kind of gets capped. And I kind of realized that as well. That's actually around the amount that I have invested into it. And I noticed that when you look here, my boost is still at 30x or X30. So I guess that's just something to pay attention to. So I don't know. I'm just waiting for more, you know. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next update, and we'll talk more about it when there's the next update. But yeah, I just haven't really had much of a drive to like really get on here and boost it or anything, because currently I just feel like it's not worth it, and I don't really plan on putting any more money into it at the moment. There's a couple of things that they really just need to improve, and I feel like they're working on it, so it's just going to take time. But as of right now, not too many major updates though, unfortunately. Yeah, Atlas Earth is kind of stagnant right now, guys, unfortunately, but I will be uploading more content on this channel with different ways to make passive income. That's why I like to diversify and do multiple things. So if you guys are definitely interested in seeing those different streams of income that you can create for yourself, whether it's through crypto staking or maybe NFTs, or, you know, just other content that I plan to put out, definitely hit that sub button if you want to stick around for that and catch that. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.